Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Awar Zahid and I'm a second year medical student, and in this video let's talk about the subjects that you need to keep if you want to pursue medical school in the future, or if you're thinking that maybe I want to do medicine, maybe I don't want to do it, what should I really keep? Okay guys, so I've divided, in my opinion, I think people generally are divided into two groups. बहुत एक broad classification कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन there's people who like sciences, there's people who like humanities. ठीक है, if you are even slightly inclined towards science, towards medicine, ठीक है, you probably belong to this first group of students who like sciences. ठीक है, अच्छा, humanities को फिर let's just kick that out of the room. ठीक है, so you have sciences, right? अच्छा, now you're either one of two groups. ठीक है, the first group is students जिन्होंने decide कर लिया कि okay we want to do medicine. ठीक है, hardcore, they're like अच्छा हमने तो बनना ही डॉक्टर है. ठीक है, like बचपन से they're like they're wired कि हमने करना है तो सिर्फ medicine करना है, वरना कुछ भी नहीं करना. ठीक है, let's say if you're one of those idiots, ठीक है, अब आपके लिए the choice is pretty simple. It's bio, chemistry, physics. ठीक है, so these three are automatically decided. ठीक है, और जो चौथा वाला है, we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay. अच्छा, for the second group which does want to do medicine but they're also like we want to have a good backup, maybe they're a bit unsure, they're like maybe we want to do it, maybe we don't want to do it. ठीक है, थोड़े से they're a bit shaky. ठीक है, so for you guys and also because you're अभी आप लोग अपने A1 में जा रहे हो. ठीक है, so I know deciding right now what you want to do is like a big decision. मैंने भी अपनी A1 के start से पहले नहीं decide किया था. From what I remember, I decided around वो जो होता है ना, for sure decided that was around October, I guess, around October of my A2, I think, around July of my A2 actually. So जो मेरी गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ थी from first year to second year, ठीक है, so उनकी गर्मी की छुट्टियों में I decided this. ठीक है, so इसलिए that's perfectly all right. If you feel a bit lost कि we don't understand कि अच्छा भी क्या बनना है क्या नहीं बनना, that's perfectly all right. Okay, अच्छा, so for you guys as well, for the second group as well, ठीक है, this is going to sound a bit moronic, ठीक है, लेकिन you guys should also keep the three sciences: bio, physics and chemistry. ठीक है, अच्छा guys, these three subjects, if you don't have one of these, you can't apply for medical school. You will have to take a gap year and you will have to give these privately. ठीक है, तो ये तीनों आपके लिए for sure must हैं for the students that are hardcore medical students and for the students that are देखते हैं but we're not too sure. ठीक है, these three subjects are compulsory. ठीक है, let's talk about the fourth and the fifth subject. Okay guys, so for a fourth subject, I would strongly suggest you guys to take maths. Again, this is something that a lot of people will, they'll be like, maths का कोई point नहीं बनता, we are pre-medical students, maths ज़िंदगी में काम नहीं आएगा. That's a very stupid way of thinking. ठीक है, because not everything has to be like tangible कि अच्छा आपकी grades आ गए आपको फ़ायदा हो गया. There are things in life जो कि like at the end of the day you're just going to be learning more things. ठीक है, मैं आपको example देता हूँ. तो I basically the statistics that I learned back in A-level maths. ठीक है, so even though I dropped A-level maths, I did not give the CIE, but I'll talk more about that later. जो मैंने statistics पढ़े थे, they really helped me during my biostatistics module at my university. ठीक है, so there's as part of your curriculum at Aga Khan, there's a biostatistics course which is a part of the community health sciences module. ठीक है, discipline. ठीक है, तो उसके अंदर जो biostatistics था, which is, trust me, it's really annoying, तो मेरे लिए वो काफ़ी आसान था because I had studied those things before. ठीक है, तो guys, एक तो मैथ्स आपको असल दुनिया में हेल्प करेगा. ठीक है, करेगा हेल्प कहीं ना कहीं करेगा. ठीक है, एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट वुड you might think अच्छा मैथ्स इतना बुरा है, O levels में इतनी मुश्किल से जान छुड़ाई थी, अब दोबारा मैथ्स आ गया. लेकिन let me tell you guys why it's really important. So if you are planning on giving the AKU test, which a lot of you probably are, okay, like if you're going to if you're applying for medical school and you don't apply for AKU, that's a really stupid mistake to make if you ask me. Okay, acha, so the AKU test has a section called the reasoning portion, reasoning section. ठीक है, उसके further दो parts होते हैं. ठीक है, there is the maths reasoning and there is the science reasoning portion. ठीक है, अच्छा, so guys, maths reasoning के अंदर again the level of maths that we have in the maths reasoning portion of the AKU test, that is nowhere near the A-level maths that we have. A-level maths बहुत advanced है. ठीक है, ये वाला maths it's much more elementary. ठीक है, like maths की difficulty O levels वाली है. लेकिन guys, please try and understand this. ठीक है, you can go back and दोबारा से देख लेना अगर ना समझ आए. ठीक है, होता क्या है कि क्योंकि आपने मैथ्स पढ़ा होता है, यू डोंट स्टॉप स्टडीइंग इट इन ओ लेवल्स, आपने अगले 2 साल भी पढ़ा होता है मैथ्स, तो व्हेन AQ टेस्ट का टाइम आता है, ठीक है, तो इट डज नॉट बॉदर यू दैट मच. ठीक है, इट डज नॉट बॉदर यू दैट मच. एंड अगेन बिकॉज आपको आदत होती है लाइक calculations की इन चीज़ों की, तो it does not. Again, AKU maths is a bit different. We'll talk about that 2 years later with you guys. लेकिन genuinely it helps a lot, and maybe it's even a placebo effect कि अच्छा हमने A level maths पढ़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, it is एक बहुत बड़ा placebo effect भी आता है इसका, लेकिन it actually does help you as well, ठीक है. तो guys, to overview, ठीक है, एक जल्दी से मैं एक overview दूँ, you should keep the fourth subject for both groups. Group A, that is like हमने तो medicine ही करनी है, you should also keep maths as your fourth subject, and group B, which is like we are unsure, you guys should also keep maths, ठीक है. अभी मैंने group A की थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बात की, I'll talk a bit more about group B. अच्छा, so group A people, hardcore pre-medical students, please keep maths. Trust me, it will help you guys a lot, ठीक है. So ये हम लोगों ने बात कर ली. अच्छा, for group B, guys, for you, because you're not too sure, you're like अच्छा देखते हैं करते नहीं करते, तो आप लोगों के लिए ये फ़ायदा होगा कि if you have A level maths, ठीक है, it helps you, and if you're planning on applying abroad, ठीक है, let's say you decide कि अच्छा, because you're already sciences students, ठीक है, आप sciences में तो आपने जो भी आगे करना है major, you're probably going to go for sciences, right? So having A level maths, ठीक है, will help you a lot, ठीक है. जब आप अपनी डिग्री के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे होगे तो इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू हैव, ठीक है, एंड इट माइट ऑल्सो बी अ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर सर्टेन डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स, ठीक है. सो इसलिए प्लीज मैथ्स रख लीजिएगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फिफ्थ थिंग, व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी द फिफ्थ सब्जेक्ट. Okay guys, so if I talk about the fifth subject, ठीक है, this is something that's sort of a bit controversial, ठीक है, because some people say कि if you're doing medical you don't need a fifth subject, and that's absolutely true. जब आप लोग अपनी PMDC की जो रिक्वायरमेंट देखोगे, that is only 3 subjects, it's only bio, physics and chemistry, ठीक है, that's it. Even maths, मैं आप लोगों को समझा दी कि maths के क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन उस तरह से maths is not a requirement for you guys, ठीक है. अच्छा, 4 सब्जेक्ट्स हो गए, तो वाई एम आई गोइंग ऑन टू अ फिफ्थ वन? बिकॉज इफ़ यू आस्क मी, जो हार्डकोर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है, प्री मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ओ वी नीड टू गेट इनटू मेडिकल स्कूल, यू गाइस कैन नाउ लीव, ठीक है. लाइक just skip ahead, there's still a couple of things I want to talk to you guys about, but abhi ke liye, like, I don't think you guys should keep a fifth subject. In certain schools it is a requirement. If it is a requirement in your school, so then just pick out something that interests you. Honestly, that is what I would suggest. Go for something that interests you and is not a lot of work. That's important, okay? So let's just move this aside. Let's move this to group B, ठीक है. अच्छा, so group B, you're unsure, आपको पता नहीं है कि हमने medical करना है नहीं करना, ठीक है, is it really our call, is medicine really our calling or not, ठीक है. So what I would suggest you guys to do is कि fifth subject कोई भी अपनी मर्जी का रख लो, ठीक है, something that actually interests you. Don't think, oh this is so hard, we won't be able to do this, how will we manage, ठीक है. Just keep something that really interests you, and again this is an optional thing, ठीक है. I would suggest at least keep it in your A1, ठीक है, और फिर A2 में जाके drop कर दो, ठीक है. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up for specific advice. Now there's some general things that I wanted to talk to you guys about, so let's move to that section. Okay guys, so talking about some general advice, ठीक है. So first of all, what you guys need to understand is कि you can drop subjects in A levels, ठीक है. कि let's say जैसे मेरा सीन था कि I basically had initially I had 5 subjects, then A1 में I dropped 1, and then when I was going from A1 to A2, and that's when I decided कि okay, अब मैंने medical करना ही करना है, I don't want to do anything else, ठीक है. So that is when I dropped my fourth subject, which was maths, ठीक है. तो तब तक मैंने पढ़ लिया था अच्छा खासा, मेरा पेपर 1 हो गया हुआ था, M1 हो गया था, statistics मैंने अच्छा खासा कर लिया हुआ था, ठीक है. So it really helped me, लेकिन again मुझे उसके CIs नहीं देने पड़े थे. जो CIs वाला टाइम, just all of that hectic routine or just dealing with all of that, I didn't have to do that. मैंने बस actually, अब मुझे थोड़ा सा शौक भी था, I liked maths, ठीक है, तो मैंने काफ़ी शौक से वो चीज़ पढ़ ली थी, ठीक है. So I would suggest you guys to do the same, ठीक है, कि रख लो आगे जाके, if it gets too hectic for you, if you're like यार I can't, because 3 sciences का लोड बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, ठीक है. If you guys think okay we can't manage it, नहीं होगा, ये होगा वो होगा, तो फिर ड्रॉप कर देना, ठीक है. So that's the first thing. The second thing is guys कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि your fourth and your fifth subject should be something that's really chill, really easy, and some teachers say कि don't keep maths if you have sciences already and if you are inclined towards going into medical, ठीक है. But what I would suggest you guys to do is कि it is going to be difficult, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाता है, लेकिन then again guys, this is something that will actually help you. Instead of taking a subject in which you have zero interest कि oh ये तो आसान subject है, don't do that to yourself, ठीक है. Don't take shortcuts, because trust me, the field that you are wanting to go into, this field is very brutal and it does not allow you to take any shortcuts whatsoever. तो अपने दिमाग से चीज़ ही निकाल दो कि okay हम ये subject छोड़ देंगे, आसानी हो जाएगी, हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, no, ठीक है. अच्छा, so that's the second thing. And the third thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about was, and एंड दिस इज जस्ट जनरल एडवाइस, और इसके बारे में आई हैव अनदर वीडियो कमिंग अप, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से कि प्लीज़ डोंट बिकम वन ऑफ दो स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दिस इज आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज अभी आप लोगों के लेवल स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं ऑफिशियली. डोंट बिकम वन ऑफ दो स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी ज़िंदगी इज़ जस्ट देयर ए लेवल्स, ठीक है, कि ओ वी नीड टू स्टडी, वी नीड टू दिस, वी नीड टू डू दैट, बिकॉज आई हैड बैचमेट्स लाइक दैट एंड ट्रस्ट मी they did not get into that good universities, because trust me again कि extracurriculars are very important. So you have your summer vacations coming up, please do internships, please do something other than studying, other than you know कि अच्छा हम बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं, बस पढ़ाई करनी है, करना है, वो करना है. Don't do that, ठीक है. I did not do that at all. I really enjoyed my A levels. I attended a lot of events, I did a lot of internships, ठीक है. तो मुझे ओवरऑल बहुत मज़ा आया था. प्लीज़ गेट दिस मिसकंसेप्शन आउट ऑफ योर माइंड कि जी अब हम लोगों ने सिर्फ लाइक अगेन डोंट डू स्टूपिड स्टफ, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई वुड से, ठीक है. सो एंड दैट्स इट, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर सर्वाइविंग योर O level CIs, एंड सी यू गाइज ऑन द अदर साइड वेरी सून इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़.